So, are you looking to buy the dips right now, particularly in Chinese equities?
We are. I think this is a pretty exciting opportunity for investors to get into the market. We're being very careful. We're looking at valuations, but we do think when markets correct, when they sell off indiscriminately like they have, it's time to go shopping. And we've had a week to, when the market's been closed, to get ready for this and to do our research and think about what kind of valuation levels, what downside is priced in. And so we're slowly starting to buy into this weakness. And I woke up this morning to a number of trade alerts in my inbox. So yeah, the action's happening.
Finally, we find a fund manager who wants to put their name and their money on the line. When you dig into the story, is it emerging market equities? We see one of the worst months since August of last year. We see near-term Asia pressure in South Korea, central bank ready to act. We see pressure in Hang Seng. Where exactly are the biggest buying opportunities in your view? Is it within EM relative to DM?
Absolutely. I think that's it's very clear that China is very much driving the market weakness. That's had the most direct hit. That's where people are most worried. And typically, at Eastspring, we like to be contrarian investors. We like to buy quality when other people are selling it, and we're happy to buy into this weakness. And in fact, we've been having the opposite problem throughout most of last year, where the stocks we've been wanting to buy tended to have gotten away from us sometimes because we weren't able to get in before the stock price shot up. So now some of the stocks that we've been watching for 6 months, 4 months, 3 months, we're now able to get into those stocks. So we're buying in slowly. Some of the areas we're looking at are things like white goods. People still are going to need a microwave and a refrigerator and a cooker hub and all kinds of, domestic products to eat their food, right? So, I mean, I think that's pretty interesting area. People need to feed their babies. People need to drive a car. People need a home to live in. So, these are parts of everyday life that aren't going to go away, whether there's a coronavirus or not. So we expect there'll be some more near-term weakness, but these are the types of businesses that we want to own long-term and should recover very strongly.